Alrighty. Let's see if we can get some of you in here. Let's go ahead and pause that. Good evening, Doc Brown, and I guess you too, Leafia. All right. Man, the ping is not reaching some of these people. Ancient person. Hello to you too, Bizarre Roundabout. Kinda hoping I can get Arsenic in here, because we have some JSON stuff to do that I don't understand. So in here we have, yeah, that one was changed. This one was changed. This one I don't think was changed. Oh, that's because it doesn't need to be. Okay. So right now what I'm trying to do is make the pointed Hewstone and the Value Knight, but the Value Knight comes second because I started Hewstone first. So right now the problem is that it's not doing anything I want it to do. Classic dev issues. So let me boot up the game real quick and I'll show you guys what's actually going on. Really need Arsenic in here because Arsenic actually does know what's going on. Oh, let me, there you go. Let's turn this up a bit. So yeah, lo and behold, this isn't exactly what I wanted. Can I place it on the ceiling now? Oh, I can place it on the ceiling. Okay, so I think my main issue is that half these textures don't exist. Yes, thank you, Abe. It is a missing texture. Hello to you too, lonely boy. So we're going to take, let's see, what is this one? Oh shoot, I don't remember. That one is pointed dripstone up tip. So pointed Hewstone up tip. We're going to make this just pointed Hewstone so that the dad gen doesn't hate me. In theory, this should make it maybe work, I think. Because now it's actually referencing a, God damn it, why does it keep doing that? I told it not to. Okay. This, obviously didn't fix the item model texture. Did it fix the... I mean... Well, that's like a start, I guess. Not really what I was expecting. But, you know, whenever does coding ever give you what you expected? Oh, well, it's this one. That's better. Okay, well, I guess let's complete more of the textures. And then... Do not save. Do not save. We'll keep that. Yeah, we'll make more of the textures. And then maybe after we actually have some of these things, maybe then we'll actually get the results we want. So we'll go over here. We're gonna do this one next. So this is the darkest one. Definitely not just reskinned dripstone, that's for sure. What? Reskinned dripstone? I would never. Whoa, you got a wandering villager? I don't know those spawned. Looks like I did a whoopsies. This was the next darkest. Okay, now I need the next one, which is that. And now I need the second lightest, which is it that, or did I just do that one? Yes, I did. So that would be this one. And then the actual lightest. There. Now we have pointed Hewstone down frustrum. Let's go ahead and get the actual proper file directory here. And this needs to be Hewstone instead of dripstone. Pointed Hewstone down frustrum. There we go. Yes, the totally original textures. I mean, what did you want me to do? Remake something that was already peak? I'm not gonna reinvent the wheel. It was already invented. Crap. Here we go. Next color. Next color. Man, Bortle soundtrack is so peak. Next color. And the darkest. Oops. Wonderful. We're gonna have to deal with that every time. Looks like we will. True. Yeah, it's not stealing, it's just being accurate. Alright, and that's another one down. None. Whoops. Oh, that one does not have the same number of colors either. That's so weird. Might switch it to this one just because it's a bit easier to see. Yeah, I like the other color better. It's good as transition, but there's not enough transition to justify it. Oh wait, shit. Today we are working on Hewstone Dripstone. Yeah. If Mojang made dev streams, they'd be YouTube shorts. Realest sentence ever. Oh, now we got a big chunka. Whoa. Here we go. It looks like the same color, but I assure you it's not. Here we go. Next color, this one. Whoops, that's not the color I'm doing right now. Next color. That one. There we go. And last one. Because I don't know which ones are which. And I don't feel like wasting the processing power just to find out something is actually not the same. So we're just gonna keep things simple. Actually, it's because they're not the exact same. Is that right? That doesn't look right. Whatever, we'll just keep going with it. Pros on battery saving mode. I always have to be energy efficient. Otherwise, I don't have energy. Hey, come on, who really doesn't keep their phone on battery saving mode 24/7? What's the perks of not being in battery saving mode, you know? I mean, you get access to a camera flash, but how often do you really need that? Fill tool might actually be smart, now that I think about it. I don't think that... Yeah, that's why. I made the tolerance 0. Whatever. Back to manually we go. I could do it in Piskel, but it's not as easy to grab the colors from somewhere else from Piskel, so. As tedious as it is. What the? Am I tweaking? Did I just see? I'm tweaking. Never mind. Hello, blockhead. I meant that as derogatory, by the way. No, actually, this is a block called Hewstone. It's this thing. So did I. That's funny. It is indeed a blue rock. There actually is icicles already in the mod pack, and they don't look like this. So we're ballin'. That's not right. Oh, never mind. It is right. I'm tweaking, I'm telling you. Alright, now we grab the lightest one. And we are... done with that one. And the best part, I get to do it all over again with Value Night. Oh man, I have to copy the directory again. It's true. I do opera singing. I'm, they call me the soap. There was a Minecraft live leak? I have not seen that. I've been too busy in my rock lately. This is Patrick, by the way. I mean, I'm not really sure how much spoilers it could be, so yeah, go for it. It is for my mining dimension. Excellent observation. I mean, it's a dev stream for it. I'm sure you read the title. Yes, question, ask away. The pale garden and the creaking? That sounds fire. Might I witness Mojang actually cook? Or are they gonna kind of fumble it like they sort of almost did with the Warden? Yeah, new biome. That sounds fire, dude. I'm ready for some Hollow Knight in Minecraft, for real. Okay, no, I want them to do an end update so bad, but the money doesn't make sense for them to do it. I mean, it would make sense, but they just gotta cook really hard, like they did with the trial chambers, right? Like, they did an amazing job with the trial chambers. So as long as they cook, people will play it. What do I mean by that? So, you know the percentage of people that actually get to the end? Spoiler alert, it's really small. So, although there is like a huge amount of people that play Minecraft, the people that already have it and have had it for a really long time, obviously they probably got to the end, right? But the people they're trying to pander to, because they're a company, they need to sell more copies of Minecraft, they're the people that are getting into the game. So it doesn't make sense for them to do something super endgame because, well, that's not the people they need to pander to. Why get rid of every ore in the overworld? This is one of my biggest problems with I'm stumbling over myself. This is one of my problems with your video, since my biggest problem with modern Minecraft is that strip mining is already unprofitable. This is the new ore distribution. What do you mean? Did you see the ore? What do you mean it's unprofitable? Are you aware that the ore distribution just makes it so that you have to do a million different layers? Because depending on which ore you want, you need to strip mine in order to efficiently get it. And if you were saying, yeah, you would do it like a cave because they already have all the layers cleared out, not only did Mojang make it so that there's like a small chance, well, I don't know about small, there's considerable chance that if an ore spawns exposed to air, it just won't spawn. And not to mention the fact that caves are completely expendable. So if you use a cave, get rid of all the ores in it, well, then you can't go in there again, and unless you're going to try and go out and find a new cave on the surface, you're going to have to strip mine to find a new cave. You're guaranteed to have to strip mine unless you go mining once and never again, and then just live with wood tools or something. Like, you're pretty much cooked. So what I'm going to do is move it all into the mining dimension where it is completely all renewable. And I also have a lot more control over the progression that way. What's stopping people from strip mining in the dimension? It's boring. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's boring. Why would you? Like, that, the problem with strip mining wasn't that, it was better, it was because you had to. And there's not really any other way to do that, other than, like, make a dimension for it. What software am I using? That's IntelliJ. Right here. Due to your lack of knowledge on how you would start, I recommend checking out some of Calpinjo's tutorials if you do plan on modding. I can help answer some of your questions, but I'm not going to teach you outright because that's too much time commitment for me. So check out Calpinjo's tutorials if you actually want to learn how to mod Minecraft. And yeah, people can definitely strip mine if you really want to, but you're probably going to have to worry about the mobs because, like, I'm going to make them able to break blocks, 100%. It gives me so much more creative freedom for what to do with the mobs, because if I included block breaking mobs in the overworld, that would piss everyone off. You'd get all your builds ruined all the time, and it would just suck. But in here, it actually kind of makes sense thematically, and it's actually fun and engaging to mess around with without the annoying part of them destroying your base. So there's so much more creative freedom if I lock it all into a dimension. Here we go, last texture. I have a feeling there's still gonna be JSON errors, but it's worth a shot, because, like, well, at least now I don't have to deal with missing texture stuff. If it's more mangrove stuff, I'm gonna be livid. Make a cool biome. Like, mangrove was cool, but, like, make a cool and unique one. Like, we already have swamps. You got the real life ones down. You nailed them. Now make, like, an interesting and unique one. Shattered savanna biome, but with, like, purple trees. Please. What do you mean, is it immersive portals? And yeah, sure, I'm open to the suggestion, Charamaro, and if it actually is really that good, maybe I'll make it myself. But, and I'm also not unfamiliar with pack breaking things. Oh, well, Blockhead, you can absolutely still get creative with the way you mine. I'm not going to make you mine in a specific way in the mining dimension. You get free roam over the way you do it in there. And if you really want a mine shaft in your build, you aren't restricted to what's actually efficient anymore. Like, you can instead be creative with what looks efficient, and things can actually look way cooler if you actually just want a mine shaft in your build. Here we go. Yes, Turtle, yeah. It is indeed. And if it's based on that comment I saw you make, shoot, did I miss some? Whatever. I'll get them back later. It's on, based on that comment I saw you make, you're going to be able to get them through the handmade structures I make. Because, well, these structures, they aren't going to be really available to anyone else for just due to the fact that they're incredibly unapplicable to anywhere other than the very specific location I made them in. Yeah. So if you do want to play with my mods in the way they were intended, well then my server is definitely the best way to do it. You can definitely mess around with it if you want, but it might be a little difficult. I mean, I am still very new to the modding scene, so... Yes, this is supposed to be paired with my combat enchantment mod. Woo! Alright, that's all of them done. Let's go! I think I did miss a few though, so what we're going to do is, where'd I put these textures? Here we go. Overwrite. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna give this a run and then see if it works. Caverns and chasms. Yeah, I mean, I can definitely take inspiration for these kinds of things. Dang it. I told you not to do that. Where is the stupid... There. You get it through my dungeons, which are handmade. So I will put them in the loot physically, which is why you can't get them prepackaged. Well, that's a pain. Well, why doesn't this work? You have a question about me personally. Okay. Shoot. Yeah, Jarmar, just put it in like general or something, and then I'll probably go ahead and look later. Or actually, take some of the more specific features you like, and then make mining dimension suggestions in the chat. I'll show you guys. Where the heck did I put it? There it is. This chat. So go ahead and make a suggestion with that. The video can count as your image. Make sure you read this. Read this. No one reads it. Makes me angry. Alright. Anyway. Alright, Blockhead. Yes, when you mine, what exactly drives you to mine? What? Blockhead, I think you had a stroke. I'm gonna need you to rephrase that. What prompts you to go mining? Progression. So if you want the next best tier gear, you go mining. I mean, did you expect something more than that? Or like... I mean, there's also specific blocks if you aren't exactly looking for the next best tier. I mean, we have a lot of blocks made. Well, not that much, but yeah, we got like Hewstone, Valuenite, Cetrinium, and then Luminite. Yeah, resources for building, like I just mentioned. Yeah, so... Try to start with IntelliJ. I mean, you really gotta follow Calpin Joe's tutorial like step by step, because literally missing one character ruins an entire file. This would make the game crash. Like, legit, it is so easy to mess it up. So, you gotta be, yeah, you gotta be super careful. Like, double check the video like 7 times over. Oh! Oh, you don't know how to compile it. You just go in, yeah, you see Forge, Ignos, Mining, Revamp, Tasks, Build, and then Build. That turns it into a jar. I actually have it up here, so that as soon as I want it, I can just hit that play button. And then immediately after, you go into your mod folder, right? In Build, Libs, you'll see your compiled jar file. So, whoops. So in here, it would be Igneous Mining Revamp 0.0.0, because it's not done yet. Okay, so I think I gotta do more messing around with the block states. Devs when they see a jar in their cup. Ah, yes, you're welcome. No problem. Alrighty. Let's see which block state thingies I have available to me. I do not know which kind of block dripstone is. Let's look back at mod blocks. There we go, pointed use stone block. Not really sure why it's not working. Because it technically has all of these code right here. And it has the same... Ooh, we get the right item model here. That should work. Yeah, because these things are also going to be like decorating the ceiling, which I can't wait for, because right now the ceiling, as cool as the what's it stuff makes it, is kind of boring, because we have all this cool like foliage stuff on the floor, but nothing on the ceiling. I don't think that worked. I also just can't place on top of it still. Which is fairly annoying. I gave you an item model, you buffoon. Maybe. Maybe it's because I actually did mess something up with the blocks. Over here, mod blocks. Pointed dripstone. There. Dang it! What on earth? Oh. Okay, well, that didn't work either. Why? Surely this isn't going to work. Yeah. Oh, damn. Alright, well, see you later, Strawberry. Why? Why doesn't this work? No, some things, if you're still inexperienced with modding and how it works, then I wouldn't mess with stuff like that, but of course, the config it doesn't actually need. So, yes, you can remove that, but other ones might not. You don't actually need it. I don't know why the configs were saying that. I mean, maybe it's a different version, or I don't know. I removed it, so I mean, you can re-add it if you want to, but it's not necessarily needed. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter at all. Why isn't this working? Why are there 4 usages of this? Oh, for the block tags. I don't know, Dripstone doesn't have a block tag, does it? Yeah, no, it doesn't. It has like dripstone replaceable, but will all the structures be included? No, they won't. Structures are fine-tuned to the terrain and my specific mod pack, so they won't. My structures won't be posted anywhere. They will be in the server and in the server only. Yeah. No, it would. This mod doesn't remove the ores and stuff itself. It also doesn't remove the structures from the overworld. Those were just changes I made to the server, and this is its own thing. This adds the mining dimension, but you can add or not add the vanilla structures to your whim. So you can copy exactly what I did, or you can just use my mining dimension mod and do whatever else you want to do with it. Yes, it'll work the same. I might package it with some structures to actually get into this mining dimension, but none of the ones like the crypt I'm working on right now. So there will be the ones that will be necessary to use the mod, but nothing else, I don't think. I don't know why it doesn't work, though. That's the real problem. I am completely stumped as to how to proceed. Well, I mean, I could just try and create my own dripstone class. Not really sure that would work, would it? Let's see what happens, I guess. So, custom Java class, pointed hue stone block. There, now what do I need to extend? Extends, and then where's the source dripstone block? Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. There. Now, in here, perfect. Now we're just gonna take all of this. This is so much. All right, you. I have a feeling this isn't going to work well. Oh, hello and goodbye, or a ball. That would be cool, but also not super accomplishable considering the way Minecraft does everything. Alright, now we double check. Can drip, spawn drip, can drip, spawn drip, spawn drip, spawn drip, get drip. Dripping. Why did it stop me? What the heck? What is it doing, man? Alright. There we go, and then... I'm gonna take this, put it there. Take this. Put that there. There, that itself got rid of like 90% of the errors. That's weird. Must be obfuscation, I guess. What? Okay, so... Need a custom block state too? Man, why doesn't extending this doesn't work? Well, that's weird. There we go. Alright, let's see if it worked. Hello, I'm a turtle. I'm really hoping I didn't just do all that for nothing. Okay, all that for the exact same results as extending it. So why does dripstone work? But mine doesn't. That is the question. Oh boy. Well... And I have more power over it this time. What I still don't know is just why it's not working, though. I mean, this should make the item texture work now. Yeah, okay, so it has its item texture. Just doesn't want to give me block texture. Why is that? What on earth? I mean, it's slightly offsets. It just... Why? Okay. Well, because it's dripstone. Dripstone does that. Igneo's mining revamp / block / given pointed hewstone. All of these textures exist. Surely it just doesn't know what kind of block state it's supposed to be in, though. But why not? I mean, I copied it directly. All the exact same. So why doesn't it work? Let's see what happens if I do that. Because that should just make it look like normal dripstone. And if it doesn't, then we know it wasn't a problem with that file. Okay, so it doesn't know how to get to... But why not? They're all there. Why did I go into your right ear? I don't know. Thought there was something tasty in there. Why? These textures exist. So why can't it read them? Okay, well, I'm getting rid of this, because obviously I don't need it. That just means they haven't been added to GitHub yet. Oh my god. Alright, let's see if that does anything. And if it doesn't, then it's time to look at the icicle code. From immersive weathering. Oh! Okay, we are getting somewhere. It just doesn't know how to access the textures. I don't know why it doesn't know how to access them, though. It has access. Something just consistently spelled wrong? There, maybe we just make it have something we know. So we know this block texture exists. So in theory, it should just be a lot of the luminide texture. And that's exactly what it is. Shouldn't be. So why does it think all of these don't exist? What on earth? So... Man... Maybe there is something else I'm missing here, because I know it's one of the more complicated ones, right? So... I know Mossy Saturadio had some more complicated stuff. Well, yeah, these are just the PNGs. Yeah, it's the proper format. I mean, it works for the item. Oh. Wait a minute. So if it works for the item, which it gives the proper texture, should be that one, I don't know why. I'm not seeing a single difference. So why does it work for the item, but not... What on earth? Right now we're trying to figure out why my block texture doesn't work. Wait a minute. I think I know why. Because this gives it an entirely different model. Right? Yeah. And that's not... We're not giving it a texture. We're looking in here. This is what we're giving it. Ah. New directory. Pointed Hewstone. Yeah. This. Okay. So we need to make separate models for each one. So we need to grab this thing and we need to make a new one for each. So down base. Dot JSON. And all it's going to be in each one is just this. And this is going to be down base. Perfect. So now, in theory, the down base one should actually have the texture we want. Come on. Yeah! Look at that! It worked! Ish. Hi, Arsenic. We figured out data pack stupidness without you. Didn't need you. Okay, so next one. Next one is up base. And then we have... Whoops, not that one. And then we have down frustum. And then we have up frustum. Now we have down and up middle. Right? Yeah. And then we have tip. And then due to the weird way I named things, the... Whoops. The up tip one, the texture for that is actually just pointed hue stone. And then... I'm not renaming them, I'm copying them. Alright, and then we need a down merge tip, I think it was. Oh, down tip merge. Okay, so up tip merge. Up tip merge. And then oops, not that one. Down tip merge. There. Yeah, I believe so. But I think it means there's one more. So this should make all of them, like, actually have the texture we want, but there's still one last issue that I'm going to have a problem figuring out. Yep, so it works now. I can't move. There we go. Beautiful, right? Now, the only problem, you can probably tell, there's whatever that stupid white space is. I didn't put it there. And I'm sure this would look absolutely fantastic if we could just get rid of that white spot. Yes, it does glow. Only a little, but it does. And it merges too. Isn't that wonderful? So all the textures do work. They just have the stupid white spot. I don't understand why it's there, how to get rid of it, because I use the exact same stuff that Dripstone has. And Dripstone doesn't have it. Yeah. So what the heck, man? Why is it the way that it is? Because it even does that when I use the Dripstone texture. Well, except it's black instead of white. So... So I know they are transparent. Like, if I look at them, that's transparent. So... must be a problem in somewhere in the JSON. It has to be. But if I copied it from Dripstone, how could it be? So, did I accidentally get rid of something, or? Arsenic, surely you have an answer for this. Because I have a feeling if anyone knows, it's you. You do? Okay, Arsenic, then what do I do? You don't know, have a problem. Brother, you just said you had an answer. You just said so. What? So would be in here? Or yeah, it wouldn't be in any of those. Maybe I do something like that. Or I let it have a transparent texture. I kind of doubt that's gonna work, but if it does, it does. Nope. Didn't think so. Try using a different program from you texture the one. Oh, no, it does. They're PNGs. You know what? I'll check. I'll check. Will that make you happy? I'll check if they're transparent. Behold! They are indeed transparent. So then why on earth does it not register it? This is fairly annoying. Oh, that's not what I want. Alright, what is it? Yes! Okay. This is exactly what I'm looking at. Oh, that looks annoying. Alright, well, I suppose I can do that. So... time to make a new render package. And in the render package, I need a client event handler. Wait a minute. Don't I already have one of those? On client setup. What the heck am I looking at? What? What are these classes? What on earth? What version is this? Block, render, and render. What am I supposed to be doing? Arsenic, you gotta tell me. Because I don't think this is getting me anywhere. Man. What on earth? Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. What do you mean, check the transparency layers? What does that mean? The PNG doesn't have layers, and the PNG is transparent. And I did find someone with the exact same problem as me. Where did it go? Yeah, right here. Need to set the render type of the block to cut out. But I don't know what any of that means. I don't have a clue how to set render types in the slightest. This has to be outdated. Oh my god. This is extremely outdated. Okay. Well, I don't know what any of that means. Set render layer. How do I... What am I even supposed to do? Hello, Ice and Fire Mutant. I honestly did not expect this to be the hard part. How do I do this in modern day Minecraft? Because obviously... I don't have a render type lookup, do I? Nope, that doesn't do anything either. This looks pretty old too. I just paused you. When you're... Oh.
Hello
Whoa.
everybody, my name is Christian Quick.
Okay, now get to the part where we set the render layer.
PNG because it has to equipped interpolate animated block. Placing it down, it's going to be pretty interesting. Slash give at S.
Do you have your GitHub on here? No, you don't. Okay, guess I'm just gonna watch through it at 2 times speed.
Hello everybody, my name is Christian Quick, and welcome back to another video. Today, you're going to be talking about transparent blocks and animated blocks. To make a transparent block, you just simply need to make a new class inside
Oh,
of
it's
your
fabric.
your
Crap.
namespace.
Well, whatever, it's probably just
Minecraft. We're just
Minecraft.
going to call it whatever your mod is, and then write light. Because for transparent textures are placed in the world, they need to also be seen by your client. Your client can see them when they're either black or that's why they're black. Right, different. But inside of here, you need to make sure that it is implementing the client mod initializer, just like this. It's going to say you're going to need to implement them. Method on initialize, that way when it starts up it will be plant, and it's really nice. We can now put in our block render layer map.instance.put block, then we can put in our mod blocks.block, and then we can say render layer.getConnect. Well, that fixes that issue.
Oh, okay. So I need to make a new Java class. Implement that must be a fabric thing. So what I actually want is in here, I want to say block render layer. No. Block render. Maybe that one. I'm at a loss, honestly. Why? Oh, is this it? Milo, you gotta get out of the way. Oh. Okay, so if I go in here and I look for class, that's not allowed. Well, what the heck? In the JSON file? This is nothing about that. Oh, yeah, that's 2016. Maybe I do it in the mod box class. I've got nothing. I have no idea. What happened? There is absolutely zero documentation for this. What did you miss? We got everything working for the pointed hue stone besides the transparency. Yeah. That's the only spot where it says anything about rendering. Maybe we try somewhere in here. There's that and that. What on earth? Yeah, I don't know. I have to call it quits here, but I'll probably figure it out eventually. So thank you all for those who attended the stream, and next time, pointed dripstone should, not pointed dripstone, pointed hewstone should be working. So I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.